Just rising demand for mechanical keyboards driven by their tactile response, precision, and build quality. Pet owners are becoming increasingly focused on durable, safe, and convenient dog crates. Whether you're house training, traveling, or simply creating a cozy space, a quality metal dog crate can make all the difference. This guide reviews the best metal dog crates based on durability, ease of setup, portability, design features, and pet safety. List number: Midwest Homes for Pets newly enhanced single and double door iCrate dog crate. The Midwest iCrate is a highly trusted option for dog owners seeking safety and versatility. Designed with rounded corners for injury prevention, this crate comes in single or double door configurations to suit different room layouts. It includes a leak-proof plastic pan, durable metal frame, and floor-protecting rubber feet, ideal for indoor use. The slide bolt latches are enhanced with patented paw block technology for extra security. List 2. Homie Pet Copper Gold Dog Crate 30-inch. The Homie Pet Copper Gold Dog Crate adds a stylish touch to your pet gear with its unique metallic copper finish. This 30-inch folding crate is both portable and practical, featuring a removable floor grid to keep your pet elevated and away from messes. Built with sturdy metal wire, it's strong enough for most small to medium breeds. The double latch system adds peace of mind, and its collapsible design makes it ideal for travel. List number: Amazon Basics Durable Foldable Metal Wire Dog Crate with Tray. The Amazon Basics Metal Wire Dog Crate is a budget-friendly favorite that doesn't skimp on functionality. Built with a sturdy metal frame, this foldable crate features a secure dual latch system and comes with a removable plastic tray for easy cleanup. You can choose between single or double door models, and its collapsible design allows for quick setup and portability. This crate is particularly popular among first-time dog owners. List number 4. Midwest Homes for Pets iCrate Duplicate Variant. This variant of the Midwest Homes iCrate shares the core features of the enhanced model: leak-proof pan, secure latching, and rounded corners, but caters more toward those needing a basic, dependable setup. It offers a slightly slimmer frame while retaining the double-door convenience and divider panel, making it ideal for crate training puppies. The crate folds flat for portability and includes rubberized feet to protect your floors. List number: Pinnacle Systems 35 by 21.63 Metal Replacement Dog Crate Pan. While not a crate itself, the Pinnacle Systems Replacement Crate Pan is an essential accessory for extending the life of your existing dog crate. Measuring 35 by 21.63, it fits most standard medium to large crates and is both chew-proof and crack-resistant. Made from a durable galvanized metal material, it offers a cleaner, longer-lasting alternative to plastic trays that can warp or absorb odor.